Hello, ladies and gents. Welcome back. Breaking news around OM Mantra right here. We can see, look, JP Mullen, CEO and founder, is burning his allocation of team tokens for more and why read on. So basically, we can see that the CEO is doing a token burn, and we can see it says right here, Mantra announces that the founder, John Patrick Mullen, is burning his 150 million allocation of team tokens. So I don't know how much that is in contrast to the overall supply. To be fair, that is quite a lot. Looking at it, 150 million versus 9.9 million, you're looking at like, I don't know, 15% or something. So it's quite a large quantity of tokens being burned. So yeah, I want to do a quick update with Mantra, what is going on news-wise. And yeah, we can see, look, the burn was a commitment made to the community last week, both in effort to rebuild trust, but demonstrate an unwavering focus upon building a trusted, accessible, and inclusive financial ecosystem delivered through tokenization. So yeah, do a bit of research on that. We can see, of course, with a token burn impact, it's going to reduce the total supply from 1.82 billion OM to 1.67 billion OM, while decreasing stake tokens from 571 million OM to 421.8 million OM. So this will basically help, I guess, hold the floor. It won't increase in an essence like buying volume, but it will help reduce the overall amount of tokens that are circulating. If you reduce the tokens and you've got the same market capital, it will create an uprise in the token price, but it won't be enough to bring it all the way back up to nearly $1 where it was at before. So pretty big news, 300 million burn initiative, which is crazy to be fair. And it's, some sort of conscious effort to rebuild this ecosystem and, everything that's happened. Do you want to say as well, traders, you guys are doing freaking amazing every single day. I'm waking up, seeing you guys make more and more money. If you want to find out how, my Discord is down below. It's completely free. They are using the trade wave indicator, trend wave, which is our indicator that we've built. And if you want to find out more about this, check out the Patreon down below where you can find the crypto waiver role. It's only $25 per month if you want to get that trading indicator, which people are using to make gains. So key takeaway here, Mantra OM token plummeted 90% on April 13, and it continued to decline. And of course, when you have that much fear, people end up selling off. There's no buying pressure. All the, the market itself is pretty illiquid at the moment. There's not much good sentiment going on. We can really see how nasty this market is with that fear and greed. We've got fear at the moment, lots of fear again, so nothing great is happening at the moment. You can also see BitGet CEO Gracie Chen cited extreme token concentration, lack of governance, and weekend liquidations as causes behind the collapse. Mantra CEO denied insider selling and proposed burning team tokens to restore trust. Imagine if that is just playing a wild card, like, oh look, I'm going to burn these 150 million tokens, but I secretly had these tokens elsewhere. Who knows? It's just one of those sort of things that you always have to ask yourself. So, of course, this is Mantra. It's great to see that they've got the 300 million token burn happening, but I still think this reminds me of Luna Classic. And what's next? Hard fork? I don't know. Of course, it's not been as deleterious as Luna Classic in some sense, because if you were an early investor, you'd still be up massively in profit. So early investors are doing great, but people that got in during the bull market, they're the people that are burned. And you could argue, yeah, you might have FOMO'd, you followed the green candles, you overexposed, you over-risked, and now it's all burning and crumbling, crashing down. So yeah, it's one of those things. But yeah, 1 week post OM crash, Mantra shows no signs of recovery. It loses, in fact, more of its valuation. We can see, looking at the 1 week chart, it is actually up 4%. On the day, it's down by 2%. So we just need to see the thing go up. But if you've not subscribed yet to my channel, please do consider hitting that lovely little subscribe button if you want to hit your crypto goals. I know it's very annoying to be told or asked to subscribe, but that's just one little favor that costs you nothing. And I would be very, very grateful if you could do so. So looking at OM Mantra, of course, we had the symmetrical triangle. Even with this good news about the token burn, nothing has happened. I don't know if the token burn has happened yet, but even on the news alone, we've not really seen any movement to the upside. And usually you do get some decent, bullish continuation or a confirmation of a breakout. But at the end of the day, right now, it's still just trading at a descending channel. So not much really is going on that is exciting. What is, however, exciting is this Bitcoin just hit $87,000, which is brilliant to see. So it's getting closer to that beautiful $90,000 mark again. It actually hit 88.5K on the day, as you can see on the 24 hours. So it's had a really good pump from 84.4 up to 88.5. That's a $4,000 pump in one single day, which is glorious to see. But yeah, at the moment, until we see true confirmation, it's really hard to say whether this is going up. We need it to go up to these resistances at $1, which is the psychological resistance. It could get there. Maybe that token burn will be enough, and I'm sure it will help boost the price a little bit. But right now, it's still very, very bearish. It's very, very rocky, and it's not exactly what we want to be seeing in this particular market. What else is going on, guys? Jacob's Crypto Clan, we are still growing more and more. If you want to get trading signals, early alpha, all this juicy stuff, check out my Patreon down below. I will say for sure that the Crypto Legends, you guys, for $110 per month, you get everything. You're going to get early contract addresses for a new coin that's coming up in 2 to 3 weeks. And also, this will give you complimentary access to the TradeWave trading suite with the trend wave indicator. So check out my Patreon down below if you really want to grow your crypto goals. You can see these guys are making huge wins in this market. Just yesterday, these are some of the trades that they're putting through from my Discord, which is completely free to join, by the way. So please follow the link down below if you are curious and want to, really maximize your crypto journey in this particular space. There's a new coin launching towards the end of April, around the sort of first, second week of May, I should say. Actually, it's called Wagyu Cash. And yeah, honestly, this is going to be absolutely crazy. Wagyu is a new meme coin on the Solana chain, which I'm very, very excited to, be sharing with you soon. And yeah, it's going to be a massive, massive fair launch happening in 2 to 3 weeks. So get in their Telegram, check it out in my Discord if you want to find that next 10 to 100x potential meme coin. Before we go, what can I say? CaseX delivering as always. You help me, I help you in the way that I'm delivering you the lowest cost. I say the lowest cost crypto exchange, centralized exchange out there in the crypto space. If you want the lowest trading fees, check out CaseX down below. Literally sign up in seconds. Bonuses might await as well. And effectively, you can trade this anywhere in the world. You can also access this from your phone, your laptop. And generally, this is one of those exchanges I really love because the fees are so low. If you look at the maker and taker fees on the spot and future side, you can just see how low these fees are. So it's brilliant. This helps you save money over time. It gives quality of life and effectively will help you save hundreds and if not thousands of dollars over your lifetime. So do check it out down below, guys. And yeah, I know I'm waffling on a bit. Just want to see this coin go crazy as well. Mantra, I really want to see $1 happen, but it's hard to say right now exactly where it's going to go. So fingers crossed, we'll see something good happen. But right now, the market is still rocky. It's still trickery. We don't have a true sense of direction as to where this market will go. Bitcoin is starting to look a bit better though, and we are seeing a slow but sure, hopefully, recovery back to $100,000. Anyway, subscribe, like, comment. We'll see you very soon. Peace.